In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pen pressure in Krita. Now, if you are on a Windows computer and this is a Krita only problem, I think this will help you out. So just follow my steps. Now, first, you want to go to Settings up top and you want to click on Configure Krita. In here, you have a bunch of different options, and on the left, you want to click on Tablet Settings. Then here, towards the very bottom, you can see it says Open Tablet Tester. So what you want to do is just click on it, and then here you have like a small canvas, and what you want to do here is basically do some strokes, okay? So just go ahead and make some drawings, random ones, and the most important thing to check here is if your strokes actually show up as a mouse move, like in my case over here. So if you're using a pen, and of course it shows as mouse move, this means it's actually not correct, and Krita thinks your tablet is actually a mouse, okay? And the computer mice usually don't have pen pressure, okay? So if you're actually on a Windows computer, you can just click on Close over here, and all you have to do to fix this issue is, here it says Tablet Input API. You want to switch from WinTab to Windows 8 Plus Pointer Input, okay? Now, whenever you've done that, whenever you've switched to this Windows 8 Plus Pointer Input, or Windows Inc., you want to click on OK, and then you want to restart Krita and also restart your computer, okay? So basically, whenever you've done that, reopen Krita after your computer opens back up, and now try if your pen pressure is not working, and it actually should be working as intended. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.